So meat's marinating.
Pickles are pickling. Hot sauce is hot saucing. My work is done.
You're
I'll
done.
see you
I know, I
guys.
see that.
All right. Oh, they're home. Wonderful.
Hi. All right.
Ooh, it brings Skemp.
Hello.
Hey, hi.
I'm David.
Nice to meet you, Cece.
Nice to meet you, Cece.
I'm Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Nice to meet you.
Chris, Cece, thank you so much for letting us come into your kitchen and make it an inevitable mess. Matt's going to be making tacos today.
Yep.
I'm going to be assisting, probably doing some sides or some toppings or something. We'll figure that out. First, I think Matt's got a gift for you.
I do. I brought this from the Funo Center.
Wow.
Well, I gotta steal one of these for. We gotta use this.
We're gonna
this
use
syrup. So this syrup's from my cousin's farm. Omni pure maple syrup.
And the gift giving isn't over yet. Metcast is giving you a gift card, so use that there. And then the Square Wine Company, that's for a wine tasting.
Thank you.
And that's
Nice.
just right on the Capitol
Nice.
Square on Pinckney.
We're doing some tacos, so cilantro and orange, mango, some little tomatoes, tortillas, and then sour cream, queso fresco, garlic, and red onion. And then the proteins are ribeye.
We've got some, beautiful, beautiful steak to work with. So, and then some chicken thighs.
Perfect. I love chicken thighs.
Yeah, I'll whip
And then
up some
I'll just-
sides and you
I'll
and
just
you roll.
take that meat and cut it up and put a little marinade on it, and same with the chicken. You want the skin from the chicken?
I'll take the skin. Sure.
Yeah. I'll let them marinate for like 20 minutes. I'll see what's in the fridge. Probably some lime juice, cilantro, a little onion. I usually put a little soy sauce and like brown sugar,
Yum.
salt, pepper, and then there's probably some chili powder. And
Sweet.
so I'm gonna take paprika, chili powder, oregano. I don't need onion powder. What kind of salsas are you making?
I'm making tomatillo jalapeno mango hot sauce. And then I'm going to make pickled red onion, jicama, and radish.
And I'm saving the skin for them to do something.
And I'll crisp up that skin. I'll probably just
Exactly.
use it as a
Topping.
topping.
So you're cooking the chicken thighs on the bone then?
Yeah, but I'm not going to take the meat out. I'm going to cook them whole. I think they won't dry out as much if I do it that way.
You have an idea on what you're going to do with your marinade?
For the chicken one, I'm going to do onion, garlic, cilantro. I'm going to keep that one pretty simple and some of these seasoning. And then I'll use the maple syrup in the beef. I really wasn't expecting to do tacos today, but I think it's awesome.
So who got the ingredients for everything then?
David picked it.
That was me.
So you just surprise him.
I surprise him, yeah.
Whatever moves you.
Sometimes I surprise myself.
Why not?
I'll be in line at the grocery store like, what the heck am I doing?
Forget where you are.
So this, I'll pour it and I can talk about it a little bit. We get these from the Square Wine Company, and everything we've gotten from them has just been absolutely beautiful. So she chose this because we were doing tacos, and it's refreshing. It's a full-bodied, but crisp and lightweight. Cheers, Matt. You're missing
Cheers.
it.
Yep.
Cheers, man.
Sounds delicious.
Closed door. Come on, Dream Kitchens.
Totally,
Actually,
they
maybe
should
I'll
be able
just-
to do that.
They should totally be able to do that.
The-
All right, guys, I need you all to help me. Remember not to touch my eyes.
Or take a pee. My job's not quite the same as a lot of the people because a lot of our business is Monday through Friday. So that's one of the reasons I like it. But yeah, we come up with all of our own menus. So it's kind of like we're trying to balance a lot of our guests that are coming for conferences that stay there for like a week or two at a time so that they have enough variety to eat there every day. And then to also pull some guests from like the city of Madison, some local guests. A lot of people from the university come over for happy hours.
I'm going to take all of this stuff that's cooking on here. I'm going to simmer it till it's mush, and then I'm going to puree it, and it'll be our hot sauce.
Normally when we cook chicken thigh, we'll sear the skin to get a nice crispy skin. I gave the skins to you,
Stole
so
it from you.
I'm just going to kind of poach it. I'm going to cook it lower than boiling, probably like 180 to 200 degrees, and just kind of let the muscles break down a little
Let that
bit.
stuff break down, which
Yeah.
is right around 200 or so.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just kind of shred that later and put it on the tacos. And that flavor will be pretty mild, and we'll kind of
It'll have all that stuff though to add.
yeah, exactly.
Sure.
That's what I'm looking for. And then this one will have a little more flavor in it, little more sugar, and you have the maple syrup in there.
So you're waiting on me to do these skins, and then you'll do the
Yeah,
steak.
then I'll put the beef in there. That won't take long at all. That's gonna be a quick cook.
For sure it will.
And I'll go right in after. I'll use your fat too, actually.
That's what my wife says on those cold winter nights.
Oh my gosh, it smells wonderful. Yeah.
Tacos, everything about tacos smells good. Every part of it.
It's true. Salsa's getting close.
I think it might be there, man.
Yeah.
I think we might have a sauce.
I taste
You
it
got a
good.
stew, baby. You got yourself a stew, baby.
Oh, that's really nice.
We're gonna make a little dressing for our slaw, which is gonna be the radicchio and the endive.
Let me see.
Just kind of like julienne.
Should put a little bit of that in there, maybe.
Sure. The pickle. Sure.
Yeah. See what it tastes like. See if it's.
That's beautiful. So we'll do a
That'd be
little
really
bit of that.
give us some good color. Onion breath. Don't kiss anybody.
Oh,
I am
Yeah,
not kissing
sorry,
anybody.
Dave.
I always get kissed on every episode.
Until now.
Oh, yeah, I think your chicken skins are close there.
Oh, yep.
Smell it.
I think we may have lost them. Well, no, I think
Nah,
it's
they'll
okay.
be fine.
So can I use this to do tortillas?
Yep, I just got it back on the stove, so we should be close.
Slippery little mango over here. Dude, this is fun, man.
Yeah, good time. I'm just taking the juice from the broth, basically the chicken that came out of the chicken that we were braising, and I'm just gonna buzz it up. I might even cook it down just a little bit to like enhance the flavor.
Well, I almost think you shred the chicken up
Yeah,
and pour some of this in.
that's what I was gonna do.
Yeah.
And then you'll have your salsa on top of that as well. So it is coming off the bone pretty nice. It's still really hot, which is good. but-
Right? What he's saying in less words is I'm burning
My
the hell
fingers
out of
are
my
numb.
hands right now. Yeah.
So we have two different styles of tacos that David and I prepared. The first one's a beef taco, lightly seasoned. We have a hint of the maple syrup in there. And then we made a really quick slaw with the radicchio and the Belgian endive. And we actually used beet juice,
Pickled beet juice.
pickled beet juice that
Yeah.
we found in your fridge.
A little
and then,
red wine vinegar in there too.
Yep. And then just a little sour cream on the bottom of the tortilla. And the other one is the braised chicken thigh. And then David made a really nice salsa verde, basically, sauce for that. And then he did a relish with jicama and carrots. What else did you put in there?
Jicama, carrots, and
Radish.
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 Yep.
So enjoy. And then I just made beans and rice, real simple.
Oh my god.
And
this
then I'll get a
looks
little-
So good. That is.
Whoops.
The slaw with that beet juice.
Isn't that nice?
Oh my gosh, who would have thought of that?
Really. I would never think of that.
Thank you, Matt. The tacos are amazing. Chris, Cece, thank you for letting us join you. Make a little bit of a mess in the kitchen.
No problem. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for
Cheers.
coming. Thanks,
Thank you
Matt.
very much.
Delicious.
The Taco Slayer kills it again, man.
Thanks, it was my
nice,
pleasure.
Nice work, Matt. Nice work. Cece and Chris were super stoked. So I want to thank Minnie of Madison. I want to thank Metcalf's. I want to thank the Square Wine Company and Dream Kitchens. And finally, I want to thank you. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in having us come cook in your kitchen, go to isthmus.com/car-to-table, and we'll see you on the next one.